We'll guide you through how to use Claude AI to create carousel posts. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To use Claude AI to create carousel posts, begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer to start accessing the platform. Click on the search bar at the top of the browser to prepare for your next action. Type Claude Download into the search field to find the official website and locate the correct resource. Find and click the official Anthropic website link from the results to ensure you have secure and legitimate access. Look for the Download for Windows button on the homepage and click it to begin pulling the installer to your device. Open the completed installer from your browser's download history to start the setup process on your workstation. Wait for the application to finish installing before moving forward with the next steps. Press the Get Started button once the application interface opens to advance into the initial configuration phase. Initiate the login process by selecting the Continue with Google option from the available sign and methods on the screen. Choose the specific email address you want connected to your Claude AI profile and confirm your selection carefully. Click Continue on any additional security steps that appear to fully finish the login process without interruption. Click Open Claude or navigate directly to the main chat interface to enter your active workspace. Close any welcome messages or tutorial pop-ups that appear on the screen to access your clean workspace. Click Continue through the brief setup prompts provided to fully prepare your active workspace for productive use. Enlarge your browser window to its full size for better visibility and a more comfortable working environment overall. Click inside the message input field to begin typing your specific request into the system. Write a detailed and clear prompt describing your carousel post needs. For example, generate a clear and catchy carousel product listing for smartphone. Include a short title, simple description, condition, main features, price, and a friendly call to action. Click the Send button to submit your request to Claude AI and initiate the generation process. Wait for Claude AI to fully process and generate your carousel post content within the chat window. Review the generated post carefully, then copy the content or image and save it directly to your device.